Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. If you're choosing between DJI's ultralight champs, this is the matchup to watch. The new Mini 5 Pro versus the fan favorite Mini 3 Pro. Let's break down what actually changed and what that means for your shots and flight time. Design. Both drones keep things travel-friendly at under 249 grams, so they slide under many registration thresholds while staying backpack-friendly. The Mini 5 Pro brings an updated airframe and supports RCN2/RC2 controllers, while the Mini 3 Pro uses the RCN1/DJI IRC ecosystem. Operating temperature on the Mini 5 Pro is rated -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, so cold weather flyers get a little more confidence. The Mini 3 Pro doesn't have a clearly published operating range we can cite the same way. Performance. The big step up is the sensor. Mini 5 Pro moves to a 1-inch, 20-megapixel CMOS, unlocking cleaner low light and more dynamic range, and it records up to 5.3K/60, even 4K over 120 for slow-mo. The Mini 3 Pro's 1/1.3-inch, 48-megapixel sensor still punches above its weight with 4K/60. If you shoot landscapes at dawn or dusk, the Mini 3 Pro's 5 Pro's larger sensor is the safer bet. If you mainly publish in 4K and want excellent detail and good light, the Mini 3 Pro still delivers. Cameras. Endurance is where travelers will smile. Mini 5 Pro lists up to 35 minutes on the standard pack and up to 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Mini 3 Pro gives you up to 34 minutes with its standard battery. Both use removable Li-ion packs. Firm charge time numbers aren't published, so plan around typical DJI hub/USB-C charging routines. Battery. Flight range and top speed aren't formally detailed for the Mini 5 Pro, yet in the public spec sheet we can cite, but you do get the latest controller pairing options. Both drones include return to home and the familiar intelligent flight modes, focus track/active track, master shots, quick shots, and hyperlapse. So automated shots and subject tracking are available either way. More. Storage and media handling see a small but practical upgrade on Mini 5 Pro with 1.2 gigabytes of internal storage for quick grabs when you forget a card. Both support microSD and onboard GNSS/GPS. Gyros/IMU are of course standard on both. Show.